Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 24th day of July 2026. And we're going to do what we usually do every day. We're going to look for our strong candle indicator. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. And this is a trade taken in the room today. Um, it's a great trade for beginners. And this is how we do it. We look here for our strong candle indicator, which is this little triangle pointing downward saying, go ahead and trade the market towards the bottom of the screen. And that's exactly what we're going to do. You can see this candle here is 19 times more powerful than the previous candle. And we look over here for our targets. We expect the next candle to be somewhere in the 90 to 150 tick range. So we'll go over here to our ATM and we'll do our regular 20s, 50s, and 100s. We will de-risk the trade after 20s. And that's where we're going to be. So here's how it all went down in the room today. We usually wait for a retrace. So we have to wait for this candle to show us a bit of green. Would love it if it comes up and touches this moving average and then comes down and picks this up. So here's how it all went down in the live trading room today. Yeah, well, there's a move up. There's Fibonacci reasons why it's going to struggle at our entry point, but that's okay. The signal's too powerful. We have a strong candle pushing off the trend indicator. That's usually an automatic trade for us. But we can see that the market did stall here last time, even though it did pay a 50 tick, 60 tick target. So here we are again. So if this candle that wasn't strong paid a 50 tick target, this candle that is strong should pay a lot better. So here we go. As soon as we get picked up in the trade, we'll go ahead and put our targets down. There we go. Perfect. That is a perfect retrace. Now we'll slow it down again until we get picked up. You see our delta indicator is also right there saying, go ahead and take this trade right at this spot. So we're right on it already. The delta just confirms what we're talking about. And boom, there's more delta indicators. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, last major failure point. And then we go ahead and just wait for our first target to be taken out. Once that's done, you'll see that stop will come all the way from over top here down to a minus 18 ticks and put us in a break even. Now we're in a break even position. Let's get another. I don't think we had to re-enter this, but let's go ahead and put another order on. There's another delta indicator. We could put another order on the chart right there if we wanted to scale in, but we'll leave this the way it is for right now. If this comes back and takes us out of break even, we can go ahead and just re-enter the trade if we want. Now, giving it that little bit of space, a lot of times is just enough. It can't even take everybody that went to +1 after their target got taken out. We didn't get taken out. If we do, we'll there we go. Just put another order on and get picked up again. If it just wants to run long, we now give it the opportunity to do that. If it comes back and picks us up, then we're in good shape. So now we can again start the whole process over again. Speed it up. And we're out again. Our 50 tick target has not been taken out quite yet. You can see that's where the last candle failed, so it's going to be a little bit of a problem. So 20s and 50s are out. We're at positive now. We cannot lose money on this particular trade. And I think this trade takes at least 2 candles to finish. Oh, there we go. So we just leave everything the way it is. There's no reason to get out of the trade. In fact, we could put new trades on these delta signals. But we're not going to do that because YouTube doesn't like it if we make more than $1,000 on any trade. So we could scale in, but we're not going to do that. today. Scaling in simply means we put another order on while we're in a trade already. That came down to about 90 ticks. Our target is 100 ticks. We came to 90s, and that was about it. Now, if we do get taken out here, which I don't believe we will be, um, that we'd still be in profit because we're 90 ticks in the profit right now. The stop is at minus 18. So we're 72 ticks in profit, even if we get taken out uh, there. But it doesn't happen. This runs back and pays our 100 tick target. You just got to be patient sometimes. There's a lot of Fibonacci reasons why this is struggling where it is. Boom. All right. Now this took a little bit longer than most. This took about 11 minutes to complete and was worth 995 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 995 US dollars in 11 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We got all the education you need, and we'll teach you how to use the strong candle indicator and the delta indicators. It's a great trade for beginners to learn in their just starting their trading career. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until then, God bless you, and we'll see you next time.